Hey guys, I want to do a quick tutorial of how to play You Deserve the Glory. I recently did a cover of it on my music channel, and so I thought I would do that for you. Now, I did the song in an odd key that would be better for my voice. We're going to do it in the key of E flat. It's a little bit lower than I did it, but it may be, depending on who's singing the lead, if it's a female, if it's a male, where the key needs to be. You can always, if you don't know how to do the numbers, you can write down these chords. You can always look at a piano and say, okay, he's doing E flat. Let's take, instead I'm going to do this in the key of C. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 half steps. You can go, then instead of E flat, every time he says E flat, I'm going to play C. You can always do that as well. Let's get started. It starts with a flat over B flat. You deserve the glory. So we're going from A flat over B flat to E flat. Going down to the C minor. And the honor. And I just like to take and add that too. Lord, we lift our hands in worship. Now that's an odd chord. It's not in the scale normally. I'm actually playing that different. You might see it better in the root. It's a D flat chord. As we magnify your name. That's an A flat over B flat to the B flat. And then you're going to basically do that exact same thing again. So the same pattern we just did, you're going to do again because you're saying the same words again. You deserve the glory and the honor. Lord, we lift our hands in worship. So I like to do octaves like that. Just to do something different. And do little trills. You do trills like that where you can hold your sustain pedal and trill through a chord and make it sound really fancy and pretty. As we magnify your name. And that's how you do that. I'm going to play through that whole thing without adding anything in. You deserve the glory and the honor. Lord, we lift our hands in worship as we magnify your name. You deserve the glory and the honor. Lord, we lift our hands in worship as we magnify your name. That brings us into the main chorus that goes, for you are great, you do miracles so great. So all that is it's starting on that A flat over B flat, going to the E flat, down to the C minor. That's the same progression that was in the verse, but you're adding more fullness, adding more feel to it. Now we're going to change up. Instead of going like we did to the D flat, we're going to go to the F minor. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like you. That's the A flat over B flat to the B flat. For you are great, you do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. There is no one else like you. And on the ending, because it's the second time around, you're going to go back and forth between the A flat over B flat to the B flat, A flat over B flat, B flat, E flat. Well guys, that's it for this one. You can keep on watching those videos right here. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any notifications. God bless.